Hello and welcome to tutorial number 14. In this tutorial I would like to show you how to do a chamfer in a CATIA program. So as a beginner I have completed this fillet command. So just like fillet, also chamfer, there is a several types of chamfer. So now just let's go ahead to sketch the plane. So and choose the plane. First of all, exit. Let's choose the plane XY. Select a sketch. And now if you able to see, you can see in the right side there is option operation, that is chamfer command. If you not able to see operation, you can choose here. See, the operation is already selected, so you can see the chamfer command is here, or else you can find from this orientation corner. In a beginner video I have completed. Now in this video, this chamfer, so click the chamfer. So this chamfer, all the types of chamfer is available here. This is the corner fillet types. So if you select this fillet types, choose the first plane and choose the center rectangle. Now choose the chamfer command, or else you can insert from here. Select the chamfer, this one. So you can give a chamfer how much you want, or else you can click there and you can give a value how much you want. So based on this this is the point one side, and this is the point second side, or else you can give a length directly and give it 5. Click OK. So this is will be the 5. So this is called one type chamfer command. So in another types also we have in the chamfer command. Do one thing, just go to operation and again you click operation. Now just go to insert operation and choose the chamfer type. Do one thing, just go to insert tools and use this customize toolbar, restore all the commands, position as well as. Now click cancel. Now look at here, this is the trim I have done. Click this one and you can give a trim how much you want. You can give a direct length from here. I'll give us 4 enter. So this is the 4. Now we have second type, trim first element. Click this one and select this line. So you give it a value first randomly and choose this one. So one side will be delete, second side will be keep as it is. So choose another type. This is the no trim. So this side you will not able to trim. You will able to trim, but both side will be keep as it is. You give a trim how much you want, and this both side will be keep as it is. So this is the this type no trim chamfer, and this one is a standard line trim. So just click this one. I will sketch one more. Choose the profile, and choose a line like this. Now choose the chamfer, choose this standard line trim, this one. So we just this one, click OK. So this side will be deleted, so just Control Z. So I'll choose chamfer, I'll choose this standard type. So I will select this line and this line. So this side will be keep. So after the intersecting, all the part will be deleted. See, there is intersecting. So this side I have to the chamfer, so this side intersected, all the line will be deleted. So this is another type of chamfer. Now we have the construction line trim. So construction line trim means, so just delete first this one, and now choose the chamfer and construction line trim. So the both side will be chamfer will be done, but construction both side the construction line will be keep as it is. So this is the construction line type, and the last one we have construction line but no trim. Line will be construction, chamfer will be done, keep construction line as it is, all the line. Just let's choose this line and this line. So just click OK. So see, all the lines keep as it is, but it should be, the line should be in construction purpose. So this all are types of chamfer. So this orientation this corner types I have done earlier. Now this video I completed this chamfer all the types. Now in next video I will go ahead to the relimits this all the trim and this quick trim, all the types. So in next video I will discuss about this trim and quick trim. So thank you for watching this video. I'll meet you in next video. Bye.